little. So, good morning. Today is Saturday, and I am headed to the community garden that I used to do community work at, and I have not been there in like 2 years. So I'm headed there now because I just feel like I have just been out of tune with myself and the things that I love, and I kind of want to, well, not kind of, I want to get back to doing the things that I love that makes me peaceful, brings me joy and happiness, because like and it is also soothing, and it's also like, what can I say, like, what's the word that I'm looking for? It's like healing to the mind for me, like when it comes to gardening or doing things outdoors. Like, I absolutely is in love with doing stuff outdoors, and lately I have not been, and it has caused my mind to fog a lot, and it also has caused me not to be as creative as I used to be, and it has been fucking with me so hard, to the point where I'm just like, okay, it's time to like just, you gotta do the things that you love, that brings you inspiration, that brings you peace and joy. Because I was actually trying to do, what was I doing? I don't know. I just lost my thoughts. See, you see what I'm saying? I just lost my thoughts right then and there. So right now I'm headed there, and I'm excited because I have not been in so long. And another thing too is, it has something to do with like how I've been feeling lately. Like, I just have not been in the mood. I just got off social media as well. Like, I just couldn't take being on there because I'm just like, it's taking up too much of my time as far as like my mind, like thinking of ways to like be more successful, thinking of ways. It's just a waste of time, and I just had to get off there until I be able to find like at least some type of generator or something that can actually post my pictures for me, because I've come to a conclusion that social media is not for me. Yeah, I'm good on it. So come along with me to the garden, and I'll show you guys around. It's been a minute, so I don't know how things are set up now. So I'll see y'all in the bit.
That's probably what this area looked like. But that's, I don't know, that's owned by somebody else. So back in, I would assume 2016, 2017, someone had a great idea of turning lots like this into like community gardens or food growing organizations, food growing places. And Mike McCord, he was with Trees Atlanta, but he also owns his own business called Community Foodscapes. Oh, yeah. One or two rakes out. Is it okay? If it's in, I'm not going to be too picky about it. But if we can just kind of move this inside.
Let me just do a little head wrap tutorial.
Try to get them from their roots. And again, their hand tools or big shovels. Yeah, that's one of, look at that. Look at the little gnarl. Oh, that's
Oh no, I saw
worm. So you just throw them in here.
Okay, so right now we are finishing up. We are getting rid of everything, all the utensils that we use to do what we did. I'm going to show you the results of what we have done today. Mostly just cleaning, getting like a lot of soil and marsh to create another bed. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. The sun is glowing, got me glowing. Put that right there.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we got it looking good. Girl power, period. I'm just being extra. Okay, so we dug up a lot of marsh here and we dropped it here, and now we're creating a green space.
Okay, you want,
it's pretty neat, pretty cool. I love it.
Amber, do you want
Yes.
mint or?
Yes, I do. So now that we're done, we're rewarded with some
Anything else or just mint?
good herbs.
I'm
excited.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you one of these for each of you, fill it up, and just fill up one of these with the dirt from in here, and then I would fill it up maybe about 2/3 of the way, kind of punch it in, then fill it up, and then do a little bit gentle pat just so that the dirt is there. Did you want mint or anything?
Yeah. Oh, and it's gonna get right in my nails. It's not good.
I want to leave at least 2 or 3 sections of leaves, but then take this off, because where these nodes are, that's where the roots are going to come from. So I would say, what am I trying to say? These are very invasive, so I would not plant them in the ground. Keep them in a pot, but you may need to put them in bigger pots than these. Okay. But you know, it's already cold weather, so you can just keep them like in these pots until the warm weather, until you get something. I would suggest taking 3 of these. Now, if all 3 of them root, that means that's going to be more than you want. So at that point, you may want to give 1 or 2 of them to a friend. Okay. You see the middle aisle here? Oh, yeah. Okay, actually, so you see the bed. I might be falling. Atlanta actually has gotten a grant.
That's so crazy.
For AmeriCorps. Now, it might not be your AmeriCorps.
Yeah, I know they